fucking idiots on scooters. Running red lights and no fucking helmet and don't give a shit.
Oh shit! Again. Hey, you had a goddamn red light!
Oh, through the red. Good on ya. Look at these dickheads. Oh my godfather. Are you fucking kidding?
You're a pushy little bastard, ain't you?
Oh, what a knob. What a knob behind me. What are you doing? Oh my God.
Let me ask you a question. Would you like to see my dick?
Fucking idiots.
Come to Australia, you might accidentally get killed. Your blood is bound to be spilled. With fear your pants will be filled. Because you might accidentally get killed.